Welcome back, guys. On this video, we're about to accept every Uber Eats trip that comes our way, and we're going to the most profitable neighborhood in my city. Let's see how it goes.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, we appreciate you. We are on a mission to make as much money as we can, so then we can start making our money make money. All of this struggling stuff is for the birds, y'all. I promise you, it's for the birds. So I've made around $77 doing Uber Eats a couple hours a week for the last 2 weeks. I need that number to double. For real, I ain't gonna hold you. I need a number to double. You know what I'm saying? A smooth little $150 to $200 a week would be amazing to pay these bills, would be amazing to propel us and set us up the best way for success. So what I've learned and what I've seen is there's a couple things I've been doing wrong up to this point. I haven't been turning the app on in the most profitable areas on the Uber Eats map. And I've been accepting all of the orders that come my way, but a lot of people say that you gotta do the math and that they're picky and stuff like that. So let's see what we can earn in a day just accepting whatever comes on the screen. We'll let y'all know how it goes. We'll see y'all in a minute. All right, guys, so look. So this right here is the Uber driver boy, right? And one of the main things that I see now that I wasn't doing before, so if we go to earning trends, right, you can see, and then when you zoom out, so like I'm in the greater Seattle area, but if you zoom out, you can see neighborhoods. You feel what I'm saying? So then one of the things is like clicking on and then seeing, like, what neighborhood is that? That's Green Lake. Right? Do I feel like driving to Green Lake right now? Not really. I don't really. But it got four of the joints. So then what about Burien and Tukwila? We might have some motion over there. And then looking at like the delivery area, y'all see that? So then what we gonna do is head that way and see if this 4-star money sign actually mean that we gonna make 4 times as much money as we've been making. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute.
12 seconds later.
All right, y'all, so look, I gotta turn around because a part of what I told you guys was we're going to accept every order to see if that gives you the boost in income that we're looking for. So it just popped up with a $7 order. Not much, but it means to me, with my little experience that I have, that it's a close thing that we could get done pretty quickly. So it's actually behind me. So I'm headed in the opposite direction to go pick it up. But you know what I'm saying? If the money good, we coming to your hood. So we'll see y'all in a second. Mickey D's, baby. You know what I'm saying? I go to Mickey D all day. I love Mickey D's. I can't eat it, but I love it. You know what I'm talking about? We got a used to love relationship. You know what I'm talking about?
About 14 in the playoff. It don't work like that. So you running the ball, then you come back in the second half and you start throwing the ball. Like, anybody that know football know, if you want to get a 3 and out, you know what I'm saying? The quickest way to get a 3 and out and not waste no time on the clock is to throw the rock. At least when you run it, you're wasting time on the clock. So not only did we come out and not do what we normally do, we did it very opposite.
Y'all, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I came over here to the busier area on the Uber Eats map, right? And man, ain't no motion. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. But I'm over here in the area that they said with the $4 signs. And man, I ain't got one trip. They got $4 signs, but you know what I'm saying? Somebody taking all the trips, something going on, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a trip hunter. We got a trip stealer going on over here, man. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll talk to y'all when I finally get one, man.
One eternity later.
All right, y'all. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's a different day, man. Yesterday, we had a slight little emergency that we had to address, right? And what I try to do was just continue the process on for you guys. So then what I'm saying? I got the thing loaded up, and I went to an area that's supposed to, you know what I'm saying, have some motion. We still ain't getting no orders. And this, for real, is what it be like. So in a day of going to the most profitable areas and then accepting all of the orders, and I live in a pretty big city, I don't necessarily know what the hell going on or what you know what I'm saying, because it might be something I'm doing wrong. I might not be staying still long enough. Like, I don't really know the ins and outs, but I made a grand total of $27 in a day, which is horrible. Listen, man, you know what I'm saying? It's already bad enough that I don't really want to do it. Like, for me to make money, somebody else got to be hungry. Like, I got to count on your hunger for me to make money, and then I'm doing it, and then I'm counting on, what is I'm going to do to raise the likelihood that I get the tip? I'm a walk lighter. Hey, I'm just so happy that you were hungry, and I'm like, the I don't know what word to use. Like, you can use embarrassment, and you know what I'm saying, you know, just the environment that I come from is sucker stuff, right? The sucky environment that comes when you're dependent on this for your money, for me, is, you know, embarrassing to say the least. But it ignites the fire necessary to take over and bring all of your everything. You bring all of your energy, all of your compassion, all of the fire that you have, you harness that, and then you bring it to the world. And that's what we're doing with this. So thank you for coming with me on a day of delivering through Uber Eats. And I'm gonna tell you that I'm gonna work my class off to make sure that we don't gotta do this for too much longer. All right, we're gonna see y'all in the next video.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man.